Hi, my name is Joe Kurgis. I'm a co-founder of the gener8tor program. I'm the first, as Dan said, in a series of mentors and others that the teams have worked with that will be presenting them tonight. And it's my privilege to introduce MobileIgniter. MobileIgniter is a first in many ways. They were the first applicant into our program. They were the first company accepted into our program, and fittingly, they're the first company to launch in our program. Leadership and the way that they've had to lead through that requires a certain skill set, and in particular, it requires you to lead by example. And what an example MobileIgniter has set. Their work ethic is unbelievable. They've caused me personal grief. I like to be in early and out late and use that as a symbolic thing to do. My problem is that every time I'm in early, MobileIgniter is in there before me, and every time I try to get there later, MobileIgniter stays there later than me. I think that speaks volumes about how passionate they are about making this work. As was just said, it takes an incredible amount of perseverance and endurance to do this work. And it takes even more to do it while helping your community, and that's exactly what MobileIgniter has done. They didn't need to be here. They were accepted into a top accelerator on the West Coast. The team that you'll be seeing today has credentials that I'm hard-pressed to find anywhere else in this community. Tim, as will be discussed, helped build a great company out of Techstars, and Dominic was a hack star there. Their expertise, their domain knowledge, their skill set is truly remarkable. What's even more inspiring and why we're so proud to be invested in their work and in their mission is that their execution is really impressive. The first, however long, of their company has been really a privilege to watch. I'm proud to be a mentor and a friend to both of these entrepreneurs. And without further ado, it's my privilege and gener8tor's privilege to introduce MobileIgniter and Dominic DeMarco.
Tough act to follow. Thank you, Joe. I'm Dominic, and I've been building mobile apps since before app stores even existed. I'm here today with my co-founder, Tim. We've been on the front lines of mobile for years and have witnessed problems firsthand. First, mobile apps take months to develop, whereas similar web functionality can be completed in days. Second, many mobile apps have many of the same features, yet most of the code is rewritten every single time. Quite simply, mobile application development today is a massively inefficient waste of time and money. So before I tell you about the MobileIgniter solution, let's revisit history. Over the last 15 years, tools like Dreamweaver and WordPress have empowered everyday people to build their own websites. This has led to an explosion. Today, there are nearly 1 billion websites, and 55 million of those are powered by WordPress. MobileIgniter is WordPress for mobile. We're disrupting the mobile application space in very much the same way a previous generation of tools did for the internet. This is a massive opportunity. The circles you see here represent the number of websites in 1991 and 2012. The little black dot, that's the number of iPhone apps today. The entire iPhone App Store is the same size as the internet was in 1991. There are millions and millions of apps waiting to be created. MobileIgniter is two things to two very different groups of people. First, it's a simple app building system that allows regular, everyday people to build iPhone and Android apps using a web browser. Let me show you. First, you create a new app and you upload your graphics. Then you add and configure your functionality through our module marketplace. Then you press publish. That's it. We take care of everything else. Everybody can do this. The apps you see here and dozens of others are powered by MobileIgniter. They were all built by regular people and are all available on both iOS and Android. Second, we're a developer's API. With MobileIgniter, any web developer can build custom modules. We make it work on both iPhone and Android. These modules can be anything: shopper loyalty programs, photo sharing, even connections to enterprise-class services. And then once that module is completed, they can share it in our marketplace where any other MobileIgniter customer can then use it for themselves. We make money three ways. First, self-service customers come to our platform and pay us $1,200 per year. That's how I met our first customer, Tom. He built his city's app himself in an afternoon. Second, we use channel partners to expand our reach. These customers pay us $2,500 per year plus $600 per app per year. Some of our partner customers occupy a niche, like COC. They're delivering MobileIgniter-powered applications to municipalities across the country. And I would like to thank Andy for being here supporting us tonight. Other partners like Capital Newspapers touch every segment of the economy. MobileIgniter fits perfectly. We give them a new revenue stream from their existing advertising customers. At full list price, COC represents an annual contract of $60,000 per year with a goal of 100 applications. Capital Newspapers represents $120,000 a year, and they expect to sell 200 applications by the end of this year. These are just two small companies. The third way we make money is through the module marketplace. As I've already said, developers can create modules, list them in our marketplace, and then other users can use them. When that happens, we facilitate any financial transactions and retain 30%. Developers are building functionality for our platform while generating us revenue. This is unique to our space, and we're very excited about it. Our projections are both realistic and aggressive. We will be cash flow positive by July of 2013 and break $1 million per month in revenue April of 2015. So now that I've introduced MobileIgniter, let us introduce ourselves. I'm co-founder and CTO Dominic. For the last 10 years, I've been building software and mobile apps for a broad array of companies. My co-founder Tim has spent the last 10 years leading development teams in high-growth environments. We've been friends for nearly 20 years. That's in Madison. And in 2011, we both went through Techstars. Tim in Boston and I in Boulder. 12 months ago, we started MobileIgniter to disrupt the mobile app market. We're open for business. We've been deploying apps since January. In that time, we've signed 3 channel partners. Again, thank you, Andy. And gone from $0 to $35,000 in revenue. Looking forward, our roadmap is simple. We're going to enhance our module marketplace to facilitate seamless transactions. We're going to deliver even more powerful tools for developers to create modules with, and we're ready to sell. The business model is validated. Customer profiles are targeted. We're ready to scale. So in closing, we're MobileIgniter. We're WordPress for mobile. There are millions and millions of apps out there waiting to be created, and we're the tool to do it. If you share our vision, we very much look forward to talking to you afterwards. Thank you, and happy building.